In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust or make your text size larger on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side, select text size. Where it says text size down here, just drag it to the right or left to make it bigger or smaller. Select apply to apply that change, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.